Welcome to the Trash TV house.
Trash TV vlogs.
Vlogging all day,
Vlog
every
part
day.
one.
First vlog we'll ever do, probably last. But vloggers.
At least we're trying.
Okay.
Jessica's not here.
Yeah, Jessica's not here today. She's busy doing something else she shouldn't be doing.
Yeah. She knows what.
She knows what we're talking about.
Let's see.
Stuff that was said on Instagram live.
Snapchat.
And Snap. Okay.
Hashtag single life.
Right. Hashtag single life is the best life.
Christian.
Huh.
Christian.
We believe in God around here.
Yeah.
Well, we're kind of walking around my entire house because we kind of have nothing to vlog about. Because we're not that interesting.
Are your neighbors cool? They
Wow,
like you?
that's a yard.
Oh, yeah.
Huh.
That's pretty interesting. You guys need to see.
Yeah, let's walk this way. Great vlogs. Kind of have to do this for like 10-20 minutes because
What do
that's how
YouTubers
long
do
vlogs are.
vlogs?
Yeah, we're not good YouTubers. We're just trying to figure this YouTube stuff out. And no, we're not doing it for the money. Why would you think that? Why would you think that?
We love doing this.
But a tripod donation would be
Yeah,
nice.
the tripod would be awesome.
It'd be pretty great.
Comment what videos you guys want to see.
Yeah, because we haven't been getting any of those. It's kind of, you guys just hate on our comments.
Yeah.
Right, guys?
Someone's looking at us like we're crazy, but
Right.
we're good.
We'll vlog. We'll be back once we get in the house.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we made it back in the house.
Can't see.
Alright, but we made it back in the house and we kind of have nothing to say. Oh. Throwback to the first video.
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah.
Queen Nasia has left.
Tell us what you guys want to see us do because we have no idea what to do. That's why we're vlogging today. And what's a vlog? This is what YouTubers do, right?
Yeah. It's sad.
Very. Let's go back outside. We're back outside, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, great. Hands all on the camera. Back outside.
Ooh, look at that sky. Isn't that such a beautiful view?
Wonderful. Go on my other side. Just going for a little stroll. Because I think YouTubers do this too.
You guys want to see Tianna's great dance moves?
Oh, please, no. You want to see Shaelynn's great dance moves?
Show them what you got, man. It's all on you. Yeah.
Oh, they're good, man.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Everybody's. Oh, wow. Yeah. That's. Yeah.
Oh, ah.
Oh, hi.
Hi there.
Ooh.
Oh, peep the handshake.
Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah, man. You want to see that one more time?
That's when we got the cameraman. You guys can see it way more better. You have to really hold on. Like.
But it's not real if you don't struggle. Screenshot this, guys. Yes. Look at the wow. gotta blank that out. Right. You know, we'll do most of the vlog like this. Why not? You don't need to see our faces. Wow, great flowers. Screenshot, guys. Do all that. Wow. Wow, should I close up with that leaf? Yeah. Okay. That's what great photographers do. Oh, look at that stuff. Mom, focus. Okay. Just realized we're kind of. Wow.
We haven't given a post for a thumbnail yet. You're such a great YouTuber.
We'll take a little pose and be like exploring nature because of the title. Wow.
Nature with trash too.
Look at that wonderful sidewalk.
We live in such a beautiful neighborhood. And blasting music.
Look at that house. Wonderful.
Just exposing people's addresses.
Zoom into the address maybe.
That house.
Wow. Look at that no walk sign.
That's poor people can't afford.
Might get demonetized for where that certain sticker is placed. Oh, let's just get off of that. Wow, look at the mailbox.
Yeah.
Hey guys, see that bus stop? That's where I take the bus to go to school every morning.
Oh, not right now. It's summertime.
Yeah, woo woo, summer.
Yeah. Even though some people.
If we weren't lazy, we'd walk straight down that way and go to the beach. There's kind of a beach like right there, but that's a lot of work. Shall we cross the street again? Because, you know, that wouldn't be fun. Wow. Whoa. Screenshot that.
You notice how one nail's done the other.
Alright, time to cross the street. Make sure to look both ways.
Look, I can.
No jaywalking, Shaelynn. Look both ways.
Yeah.
Oh.
We have to get rid of it.
Oh.
Or else the big oops.
Oof. Oh, are we going straight? I don't know. Walking the street. Because that's okay. Wow. Look at the wonderful landscape deals.
Let me model it. This is what they do on whatchamacallit, Wheel of Fortune.
It's deceased.
Yeah, okay.
I see model goals. Okay.
This is model with that tree,
Whoa.
Tianna. Yeah. Oof.
Oh gosh, there's a spider.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Ooh wow.
Wow.
Too many spiders.
Not a place where I'm on yet.
It's a Seattle, guys. Don't move here. You won't like it.
I
Well,
wish this wasn't somebody else's yard where I could sit on that.
yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
Check out the other whip.
Oof, yeah. Let's go. Let's leave before we get arrested. Okay.
Let's go.
Because you know how you can't be black in America, right?
Already being black is a crime.
Yep. Oh, they're black. They're playing music. We're on our way.
They're black. They're loud. Their phone looks like a weapon. Oh no.
We thought the phone was a gun.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Check out this whip.
Yeah. Motorsport. Who?
Right. Check out my other whip.
Yeah.
If you want it with it, already know.
You see those YouTube checks been coming in. All these cars.
Oh, peep the information just so you guys know. Jessica drives.
Yeah.
Like, and not just the whipping that I do. Jessica, like, she could drive right here and scoop.
Unlike us.
Make sure to leave that in so she sees that. Come scoop, Jessica.
Come pick us up.
Please.
Please. Yeah.
Pick us up, Jessica, man. Scoop. We miss her, but can't just not take
She
her.
kind of has like new boo now.
Yeah. She got a whole man's.
Oh man. At the perfect timing too. Summertime. Tyra Banks who? Kendall Jenner who? Yeah.
When the cameraman tells you to love the leaves.
Yeah. Kendall Jenner is shaking. Giving her a run for her money. All the Kardashians. Oof. Oof. Oof.
Oof.
That car got oofed.
Look.
Oh wow.
Check out the new whip. I don't want to touch it.
Wait, let me get a better angle. What's up, Trashed?
Hi, Trash TV.
Oh, that was cringe.
The peace sign.
We don't know what to talk about.
Yep. But, sorry about the not posting. We kind of had some technical difficulties going on
Tianna broke her laptop.
I didn't break it. Somebody stepped on it. Let's not go into that one. But
Maybe you were sleepwalking and you stepped on it.
we'll have more videos for you guys soon. Much love. Bye.
Wait, no, that was 30 seconds. That's
We're out.
horrible.
Check them out. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, Shaelynn. Yes.
What else did you
Do that melly rock. There you go. What about that? That dabical dabs? Whoa!
You know how to make the camera like, you know how the professional dancers do it?
Ready? The hand all of the.